Hey ding dongs! So I'm gonna figure out how to turn this recipe into a regular pasta slash soup. These are the seasonings you'll need to get started, along with some pepper, zucchini, chicken, onion, and garlic, and noodles of your choice, and some corn. And we're gonna start by heating up the pan with some olive oil. And we'll throw in the chickens, onion, and garlic, and then we'll saute that until the chicken is cooked through. Then we'll add in some oregano, some salt, some pepper, and some crushed red pepper. The best thing about all the produce that we're adding is that it's all in season. That's why it's great for the summer. Next, we'll throw in the zucchini and give that a stir. And then add the noodles of your choice. Throw these tomatoes in here. Then you're gonna add 4 cups of chicken stock, bring it to a boil, and then once it's boiled, you're gonna bring it down to medium-low heat and simmer it until all the liquid has evaporated, is what you should do. Then in the last few minutes of cooking, you want to add in your frozen corn because it's already cooked. So this was supposed to be one pot pasta. I followed Domesticgeek's recipe on how to make the one pot pasta, and she said to cook covered for 10 minutes when really it should have been uncovered, so it ended up being soup. This originally was a failed Pinterest idea. It's a dump and bake pasta, but I was gonna make regular pasta. Now let's see if this tastes good.
How I do. How I did it. How you make